Play that music loud.
Yeah, if you with it, baby, come inside, get wavy. This our life is our daily, and never ever 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 taint me.
Hello everyone, it's Matilda. Today I'm filming a bit of a different video. I'm going to be recreating Hailey Baldwin's makeup tutorial on Vogue because I love watching the Vogue videos. They're literally like my favourite videos to watch on YouTube. So I've been seeing a few people recreating videos of them, so I thought I might as well try it out. By no means am I going to look anything like her, like now or at the end of it, because she's a supermodel and I'm like far from. So yeah, so I'm just clear that up before anyone thinks that I'm saying I look like her, because I look absolutely nothing like her. It's just felt like doing her one. I'm gonna like zoom you in now so you can see a bit closer, but yeah, let's get started. Okay, so you're zoomed in a lot closer now so you can see my face hopefully a bit clearer, which is a bit worrying, but yeah, I also have a massive spot here, so let's just ignore that. She's so pretty, it's actually a joke. Her hair is so cool as well, I love it. Okay, so the first thing that she does is she applies some glow drops, but I don't have those ones because they're like really expensive. So I'm going to be using the MAC Strobe Cream because it basically does the same thing. It just makes you look a bit more glowy, so I'm going to apply that. Do I like... Okay, this is probably way too much, but... Whoops. Wow, this is very glowy. Okay, this has made me really glowy. Right, okay, next step. Okay, so now she does concealer. Again, she uses a Tom Ford one, which I can't afford, so I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 15. So she does little dots under her eyes and then above her eyebrows, so guess this spot isn't being covered. Love that. Okay. So she like does it like that, like, you know when you're like in year 6 and you do like festival makeup and dots, that's what it looks like. Okay, this concealer just isn't my shade, right? That's an issue. So I'm just going to blend this out with my finger because that's what she does. It's like a really weird place to put concealer, like that must be her like problem area, I guess. I say this, it's because I don't think she has any problems, you know. Okay, that's my concealer done, and I mean, doesn't look the best, but that's what she does. So okay, then she uses like a bronzer, which is like a cream, which she puts a brush in and then rubs it on her face, but I don't have that. But I do have a bronzer stick, which is from Sephora. It's like the Sephora own brand, and it's in the shade medium. It's like a contour and then highlight stick. So let's try this. This is actually like shockingly bad, so should be good. Okay, this isn't actually too bad. I used to like blend it in with like a brush, so it made it go all streaky, but with my fingers it doesn't even... This isn't even too bad actually. Okay, I think my bronzer's done, I think. I usually put it like on my forehead and everywhere else. Hailey doesn't, so... Okay, so then she does a bit of blush, and I actually hate blusher, like I never wear blusher, literally. It's a bit sick, so yeah. I'm using this like Bobbi Brown blusher, which is like my mum's old one. I just found it in a makeup bag because I didn't have any, so we're using that. She like puts it on her finger, then like rubs it, and then taps it on her cheeks. I think that's it. I don't really know how to use blusher. So she's now using a cream highlighter, again from the Tom Ford palette which she used before. So I'm just going to use this palette, which I have no idea how to pronounce, but it's basically just some cream highlighter. So I'm going to mix the goldy one with a little bit of the champagne-y one, but mainly gold because it's like a golden sun-kissed Californian look. Okay, and then she does right down the middle of her nose, she says, on the end, and then her cupid's bow, and then just... Okay, I think that's the highlighter done. Okay, so then she uses a pressed powder and a brush and puts it under her eyes. And I'm going to be using the Stay Matte powder and the Real Technique Express because she uses Giorgio Armani one, and like I really just can't afford to buy like these products just for the purpose of one video. So we're using the like $2.99 one. Oh, I just skipped. I keep on accidentally skipping it. Girl. Bless, my mum just came and made me a cup of tea. Love that cow. Okay, so I seem to miss like a whole part of the video, so that's great. I didn't realise, but she put bronzer on her forehead and then she also did her eyebrows, so I seem to have skipped through that whole thing. Don't know how I did that, but yeah, so she puts bronzer on her forehead. I actually really like this bronzer. I'm going to start using this a lot more now. Good, good. Right. So for her eyebrows, she just brushes through them, which I have terrible eyebrows, so that never goes well. She has good eyebrows, so it's fine for her, but mine aren't. So I'm just going to use a spoolie and try and just brush through them, I guess. I try and like shape them nicely so they look a bit more done. This looks terrible. Okay, eyebrows done, I guess. Didn't really do anything, but that's them done. She does some bronzer on her eyes, so I guess I'm just going to be using the same stick and then just apply it on my eyes, I guess. I really don't know how this is going to look. Okay. I mean, I guess it looks okay. I don't really know. How is this fair? She looks so...
Mascara. I use
Okay, now she's doing mascara, and I actually have the same mascara as her, so this is the MAC Extended Play Giga Black Lash. That was a mouthful. It looks like this. This is super dried out as well because I haven't used it in a good few years, but I thought, you know, might as well use it if it's the same as hers. So she just does her top lashes and a little bit on the bottom, so let's do that. It's actually really good. Apart from the bit I got on my eye, but apart from that, quite decent if you ask me. I'm so sorry if the brightness in this video is all over the place, but like the sun keeps on going behind the clouds and then comes out again, and like obviously, I mean not obviously, but I use natural lighting, so it's quite unreliable. So I keep having to change the ISO and then change it back because it gets too light, then it gets too dark, and then it's a bit of a nuisance. Okay, my top lashes are done. Now she just does a little bit on the bottom, it looks like. That'll have to do. It just looks weird because I have my eyebrows on, it just looks funny. I don't like it. So now she's using highlighter, so I'm going to be using my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter, and I'm just going to apply this.
the last thing.
Okay, and then she does just the end of her nose as well. So then the last thing she does is a little bit of lip colour. So I'm going to be using my MAC lipstick in the shade Posh Tone because I thought it looked the most like the colour she used. And what did she say she does? She like... Okay, so she like pats it really lightly and then blends it in with her finger. So let's do that. Okay, so the last step she does is she applies like a sunscreen powder, which weirdly enough I don't have. So I'm just going to say that that's done. So this is my completed makeup look. I look absolutely nothing like her because one, she's a supermodel, and two, I use completely different products to her, so that could be why. But yeah, this is the completed look. I don't really like how I look because I don't have my eyebrows done, and that is a big game changer. Yeah, I look a bit funny, but this is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure to give a big thumbs up, comment down below any video suggestions which you may have, and I'll make sure to do them, or your opinion on the video, and make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!